Mr. Cocktail, go.
Only on the Zoom, Baba. Hey,
you look amazing. You look amazing.
Wow. Nzakazile seriously. Cocktail aliwo.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for not disappointing me. The world was waiting for the disappointment. My God. But I'm glad we put that to shame. And here we are, officializing this in front of all our parents. I'm so happy. But I am so happy. It's my day. Cocktail. Kano tukaita kaboka mwala.
Cocktail ya bakozi. Imwami. Muzijukiza nnyo kino. Bindeeba se. Kale. Eriza lyakyuse. Kale.
This contains so many things. I'm going to use a language that is so comfortable with. This basket here contains so many things. I know you would love to go with me tonight, but since I'm staying, I have packed for you. Yeah, I'm staying. So I have packed for you a few things in here, but I'm sure they will take you until I get home. I know you love fruits, so I've put them here. The berries, the apples, the chocolates, the bananas. Why? Because your cocktail is a mixture of things. So because it's a mixture of things, I decided to mix this. I will be home shortly, so this should take you for the few hours I want to be home. Sengoma zokunga basongenda.
Osasirira best man. Onna atwala mukyala yazaayo tulo.
This is original watch. So many dollars in here.
Nze bansi bakola na babani.
Whether I want to watch a watch.
Wow.
This watch, I want you to use it so much. How is it going to be helpful each time you're out there? And I want you to, all the time I want you to have this watch so that each time you're out there, you keep looking at it and you know you're ready late to be home. I'll always be home waiting for you. So this watch will always be your time manager so that you'll never be late at home. So,
hey,
akutensa wagamba ne bajimpo gissa mu nsawo ngiteeka mu nsawo ya mpale
naye owensawo aveeyoko mu kifaananyi ekyo
owensawo aveeyoko mu kifaananyi ekyo alina kubeera awo Bindeeba wanika muko ku mukono bano basharifu bakutuwa ebifaananyi Remmie nawe omukono gukwateko katono obenga akuwanirira bwoti ebyo byebiruma abayaayi
I have a few presents for my in-laws. This present goes to my mother-in-law. Mama
Mami speciosa.
Nakukonda.
Muno.
Mami nakukonda.
Cyane. Kakati Remmie jangu kimuleetere mami. Jangu. akompere ne kuhaaga ekifaananyi ekiba kikube atubuusiza ensala kukutekeera nyalungulu nyalungulu ekifaananyi twalikifunye ddise nga Remmie totuuseeka kigenda kalenda 2023 olaba Remmie atandika okwogera olunyanko
kino tukikozesa ku billboard
era byonna tugenda biti
ebwebere mu mbalala wakati endala California.
Kino ekirabo ekirala ekimwerekeddeko mama teyazaala yekka yazaala ne taata so taata ne mama bonna we bali era nga keeki eno yakimukwasa mwami Bindeeba
ate ewaffe tekirimu sitaani kwasa taata
Temuli
tuli abanyankole ekubire mu ngali z'amaanyi
there is a cake. I want to give it to the committee.